Okay, next. A surveyor forgot to indicate the area of a rectangular lot. However, he remembers that the area remains the same if the length is decreased by 12.5 and the width is increased by 10 meters. Or the length is decreased by 50 and the width is increased by 50. What was the original area of the rectangular lot? Okay, so let's say ano na lang, ito yung length. Tawagin na lang natin na L yung length, tapos W yung width. So definitely, yung area ng rectangular lot is length times width, di ba? At yun yung hinahanap natin, anong value niyan. Okay? Naalala niya daw na yung area same lang kapag yung length ay decrease o binawasan ng 12.5, pero yung width ay increase ng 10. Yan. So same lang din daw yung lalabas na area. Okay? Or, same pa din, kapag yung length is decreased by 50 and the width is increased by 50. Okay? So same lang lahat yan ng area. Okay? So, well, all we have to do is solve, no? Yung three equations with three unknowns. Lumalabas kasi tatlong unknowns eh, yung L, W, tsaka yung A. So, solvable na yan, no? Discarded dito, pwedeng expand natin itong dalawa. Ito muna ang pangalawang equation. So, L, W, um, minus 12.5 W, tapos plus 10L, and then minus 12.5 times 10. So, in-expand ko lang, no? Tapos, ganoon din ang gagawin ko dun sa pangatlo. LW minus 50W. O, tapos, ito naman, plus 50L. And then, minus 50 times 50. Ayan. Okay? And then, so, tawagin natin, no? 1, 2, 3. Para lang organize. Ito pa rin yung equation 2. Ito pa rin yung equation 3. In-expand lang. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is I will equate equation 1 and equation 2. Kasi parehas silang naka-equate sa A eh. Di ba? So, etong A na to, pwede kong palitan ng LW. Ayan. And kung mapapansin nyo, magka-cancel lang to. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, what we are left with is 0 na sa kaliwa. Tapos kapag tinranspose natin sa kabila yung mga W tsaka L, ito ay magiging 12.5 W, positive na siya, tapos minus 10L equals, iwan natin sa kanan itong 12.5 times 10. Tawagin ko itong equation 4. Okay? Tapos, yung equation 1 ulit, i-equate ko sa equation 3. Okay? Kasi may pattern ako nakikita eh. Nakikita ko na nagka-cancel lang yung LW, no? So, sa equation 3, gawin ko itong LW equals LW minus 50W plus 50L minus 50 times 50 is equal to 0. Sorry, is equal to, wala pa pala. Ayan. So, as you can see, magka-cancel ulit to. Tapos pag nilipat sa kaliwa, yung negative 50W magiging positive 50W minus 50L equals negative 50 times 50. And I will call this equation 5. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung equation 4 and 5, solvable na. Kasi linear lang. Di ba? We can use yung mode equation na dito. So that's 12.5, negative 10, negative 12.5 times 10. Sa second equation, we have 50, negative 50, and negative 50 times 50. Okay, yung Li 150, sorry, W pala. Ang Wi 150, ang Li 200. Okay? So therefore, ang area lang naman tinatanong, is just 200 times 150, which is 30,000.